The best way to teach your child to use good hygiene is number one, by teaching them how to cough correctly. So a lot of children out there will develop a cough during any time of the year. And the best way to teach your child is to have them cover their cough with their elbow versus coughing into their hand, which they then touch other things and they spread those germs easily. If they cough into their elbow, those germs are now a bit more out of sight, and they're not at the forefront and not as easily to spread.